Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, to go along with Shark Week, I want to show you guys one of the most famous sharks, and that is the great white shark. Now, just remember, even though these guys get a really bad name, sharks very, very rarely ever attack people. And when they do, it's usually just because of confusion. And you have to remember that humans actually kill way, way more sharks than any shark has ever done to people. So just remember, even though we're having a lot of fun with these sharks and our Jaws videos and everything, just remember that sharks are very important to the ocean and we need to protect them. So to start off with this, we are going to begin with the eye. So I'm going to start right about here, and I'm going to make a circle for the eye, and I'm just going to color that in all black because sharks, their eyes usually kind of roll back into their heads. Now we want to make the head and the nose. So right about here, I'm going to make a line that's just going to kind of curve out, and then it's just going to come down like this. Then starting here, I'm going to make a line that just kind of curves up, and then it's going to go down. And then right here, I'm going to make a line that goes out, and it's going to curve around. Next, just kind of keep drawing this line down here. And when I get to about here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to curve down. It's going to come up and then go in for the fin. Then starting here, I'm just going to continue this line. And then the fin of the great white shark, it's actually pretty far back on him. So it's actually past their flipper. So I'm going to continue this here. And then once I get past here, then I'm going to draw a line that goes up. It's going to come to a point. It's going to go down. It's going to come in like this. Then I'm just going to continue this line down to right about there. And I'm going to continue this line all the way up to here. Now, starting here for the tail, I'm going to make a line that goes up. It's going to come down and out, and it's going to go in. They have like a little notch over here. And continue your line down. I like to go in just a bit. Then I'm going to start here, add this little curved line, come to a point, and then go right to there. Right here, I'm going to add another fin. Just go down and up. And this is kind of like our basic shape. Now I want to add some of the different details into here. First, we'll start with the nostril. So we'll make a little dot right here. And then we're going to come back here and add a little line that goes up and down. And then we'll add another line here for some more fins. The great white shark, he's got his famous teeth, so we'll add some sharp teeth in here. I'm also going to draw a little line that kind of goes right along the top here. And I'm going to add a little line kind of right underneath the eye. I'll make this eye just a little bit bigger. I'm going to add a couple little broken lines onto the flippers and on the top of the fin. And I'm going to add an extra little line or two right here. Do that same detail down here on the fins. And the gills of the shark are pretty far back here. So I'm going to make some curved lines, just like this, and they're actually going to run right into the flipper. I'm going to just continue some of this broken line right here. I'm going to add a little curved line kind of right around the nose. Add a little curved line there and a few little lines kind of right around the mouth and down here. I'm also going to add just a little line kind of right around the top of the eye too. and then a little line right around here. And we'll just add some details here. And then the great white shark is going to have a long line that's going to run down here. So I'm going to start right here at the top of the nose, and I'm just going to make a really kind of jagged, bumpy line that's just going to go all the way along here. It's going to run right down here and going to go right to about there. And you could always bring that down farther. You could bring it down here to the fin, but it's however you want to do it. And there you go. There is your drawing of a great white shark. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.